Hi guys, so let's say how want to create partitions in Windows 10. It's very easy. What you have to do, just search create partition in Windows 10. Now click on the search result. Once this opens up, let's say you want to partition C drive, okay, and you want to fetch one more drive out of it. So just right click on it, okay, and now choose shrink volume. Now enter the amount. So this is the total size of the drive, okay, and you want to create a drive out of it, so it must be less than this. Let's say I want to create a drive of size 1024 1 GB, okay. Now click on shrink. Now you can see that this unallocated section appear, and this is the new shrink volume, but we have to name it. Right click on it. Now click on new sample volume. Now click on next. Now click on next. Now you can assign the drive letter, okay. You can name any drive letter other than the C, because C is already your letter, and there are some other drives also, like CD drive, they are named as E. So you have to name your drive leaving these letters, okay. So G is not any letter, okay, so I have named it G. Click on next, okay. Make sure this is checked, perform a quick format. You can also rename this new volume according to your wish, or leave it default. Now click on finish. Now you can see that a new sample volume has been created, G has been created. Now you can go and check created on your system, okay. This is a new drive. That's it guys, please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.